In your Wells Fargo account, you need to press on Pay a Transfer down here. Now on the Zelle icon that says Send Money. Now you press on Send. And to do the whole process, let's add a recipient. So we press on Add, the plus icon. In order to add a recipient, you need to put either their email address or their phone number with which they are enrolled in Zelle. In this case, I'm going to use a phone number. To keep things organized, we add the recipient's first and last name. Now we can continue. Here, you need to double check the recipient's info. This is the name Zelle found related to that phone number. This is not the name we just added a few seconds ago. This way, you can tell if the info is accurate. We scroll down, confirm this isn't a scam, and press on continue. Before deciding how much money you would like to send, this is another opportunity to confirm we got the recipient's information right. This is the name we get to this contact, and this is the name enrolled in Zelle for this phone number. It's the same, so we can proceed. This time we're going to send $500. We scroll down and press on review. This is the last review screen before sending Zelle. It's not reversible, so take your time. If everything looks good, we press on send. We press on send again, and that's it.